Good morning, Standard 4 children. Today I am going to teach you SST new chapter, chapter 15, Transport and Communication. So children, let's start from hard word. Transport, Transport, port, transport. Number 2, metal, Metalled, metal. Number 3, national, National, national. Number 4, highway, Higway, highway. Number 5, difficult, Difficult, difficult. Number 6, important, important. Number 8, possible, possible. Number 8, tunnel, tunnel. Number 9, bridge, bridge. Number 10, necessity, necessity. Number 11, medical, medical. Number 12, supplies, supplies. Number 14, earthquake, earthquake. Number 14, passenger, passengers. Number 15, railway, railway. Number 16, journey, journey. Number 17, international, international. Number 18, steamer, steamers. Number 19, decan, decan. Number 20, Sahara, Sahara. So children, let's start the chapter. Now, means of transport. Transport is a vital part of modern life. It is the lifeline of a country. Various means of transport have been possible to carry goods and people to far off places in a very short time. People use different means of transport depending on their needs and how much money they can spend. So number 1 is railway. Roads are the most important means of transport. Roads are strong, can be used all year round, called pakka or metal road. These roads can be used even in the rainy season. The weaker roads called kacha or non-metal road are difficult to travel on, especially in the rainy season. Roads connecting towns and cities are called highways, or also called national highways, connection important cities and towns all over the country. One of the oldest road in the Grand Trunk Road, built by Sher Shah Suri in 1542 CE, which runs from Peshawar in Pakistan to Kolkata in India. Turn the page and see, children. Tunnels are dug through hills to make roads. Bridges are built across the rivers. There are advantages. It is very convenient for short distances. Vehicles can be driven right up to the doorsteps. Freeways and expressways are wide roads which allow fast traffic in one direction only. There are no traffic lights. The second point is railway. The railway are an important means of transport. They are one of the cheapest means of travel over long distance on land. There are two main kind of train, that is passenger train and goods train. Passenger trains carry people from one place to another, and goods train carries goods from one place to another, such as coal, kettle, food grains, etc. Delhi and Kolkata have underground trains called metros. The fastest train in India is the Durant Express. It runs about 190 km per hour. Rajdhani Express between Delhi and Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. The Taj Express between Delhi and Jaipur. These trains are called superfast train. The railway is the most popular means of transport. Turn the page and see waterways. Water transport is the oldest means of transport in the world. Water transport includes boats, steamers, ships, Boat and steamers are mainly used to carry goods and people across river and canals. Kerala has many waterways, large ship toils from the ports. There are about 10 major ports and 160 smaller ports in Indian coast. Mumbai is the largest port of the country. Look here, airway, air transport, the fastest and the most expensive means of transportation. India has two main government-owned airlines, that is Air India, Indian Airlines. Four major metropolitan cities, that is Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. There are private airlines such as Jet Airways and Sahara Airlines, Deccan Airlines, etc. There are 30 major airports, that is about 14 international airports where flights to other country operates, and Indians major international airports are Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Kolkata, Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Chennai, Kamaraj International Airport. Aeroplanes have made traveling easy, fast and comfortable, but it is very expensive. So children, look to the last paragraph. Air transport is especially in war, famines and floods for the dropping food packets, medicines, clothes to the affected areas. Letters and parcel can be sent quickly to all the corners of the world in the airways. So children, your chapter is over. See the take the correct answer. The Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport is in Kolkata. Question number 2. Indira Gandhi International Airport is in Delhi. D-E-L-H-I, Delhi. Number 3. The most popular mode of transport in India is roadways. R-O-A-D, road, W-A-Y-S, ways, roadways. So now fill in the blanks. C, number C. One of the oldest road is built by Sher in 1542, that is Grand Trunk Road. Number 2, road connecting major cities and towns are called highways. H-I-G-H W-A-Y-S, highways. Number 3, India's railway network is the largest is in Asia. A-S-I-A, Asia. Number 4, Delhi and Kolkata have underground train is called metros. M-E-T-R-O-S, metros. Number 5, Dash is the fastest train in India, that is Durant, D-U-R-A-N-T, Durant Express, E-X-P-R-E-S-S, Express. Number 6, a dash train is an intercity railway system, that is passenger train, P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R, passenger train, T-R-A-I-N, train. Number 7, ships, boats are means of travel over water, W-A-T-E-R, water. So children, write this in your SST notebook as well as in your SST book. Children, today your class is over. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.